Nokia 5100 disassembly. You need metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, and an SRT6 opening tool. Always connect ESD wristband. Pull B shell while pressing marking. Pull A shell while pressing locking springs. Remove key mat from B shell. Note the unscrew order while releasing these 6 Torx Plus screws. Remove screws. Do not use these screws again. Pull up UI board vertical carefully. The radio module drops out itself when turning C cover. Lever out and remove vibromotor with tweezers carefully. Open battery cover. The use of SRT6 is necessary to unlock battery cover. Then removing of battery cover becomes easy. Release the connector by the use of SRT6 only. Pull it slowly from adhesive tape. The rest of adhesive tape must be removed with SRT6 completely. To prevent damages and scratches, never use other tools. Lever out speaker. Do not use force while releasing and removing. Now disassembly procedure is completed.